In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you could change your Facebook page name. So as you know, your page has two names you could add. This one is just the name of the page, and then this affects the URL that you see here on the top. So if you want to provide a link to your users, then this would be what will follow after .com from Facebook. But if you want to change that, then what you need to do is you need to go under about, and if you don't see about, there's gonna be an option that says more, and then a new drop down will appear with about. So you click about, and then in about you could change your name. So this one is right here on the top, and the username is the one that basically affects the URL of your page. So you will click edit, and then in here you will basically delete that, put in another username that's available, and then you will click on create username. So that's a new update from Facebook 2020. That's how you change the username. Before you had to go to edit page info, but this is what it is now, and that's how you change your page name. Alright, well, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave your comment below, and please subscribe.